Welcome to Hyderabad, and the hosts India are ready to start their FIH World Cup 2026 qualifier campaign against Uruguay. It's a Pool B encounter. It is the fourth and final match today on the opening day. We're now getting set for the countdown. And we are underway. Uruguay starting things off in their dark blue attire, attacking from left to right, and India in the trademark light blue from right to left. My name is Nishat Paivaidya in the English commentary box, and a warm welcome to everyone joining us from all over the globe. 9 teams sealed their passage through to the World Cup thanks to winning or securing some sort of spots in their continental championships. And of course, you've got the qualifiers from the Pro League. Now, India win a penalty corner. It was a decent enough run, making it in with pace. A player who has really shined in recent times. Lifted the ball in an attempt to show some 3D skills, showed good control, and yes, it's come off one of the Uruguayan players, Florencia Penalba. Right there, Navneet generally when she takes a penalty corner, she goes for the hit. They go to Navneet. A variation. First goal for India. Is it? No. In fact, it's not. The crowd had celebrated, the team had celebrated.
It's high. No, only one. What high? Do you want the view?
We'll have a look at the replay. It looked like the Indians were really talking amongst themselves in terms of whether they wanted to take the referral. Udita went for that one. Let's have a look at that. Navneet passed it back. It's a little bit high, as the umpire indicated. Now Navneet. What are her options? Hits that into the circle. The pass coming in. Not hit well towards the goalkeeper, but a penalty corner. We'll have a look at what happened there exactly. We'll have a look with the ball coming in. It was hit towards the goalkeeper. 2 players coming on to 1 Indian player, and that's a penalty corner. To the battery, India have scored. It is Anu who came on to the second battery. Navneet went to the first, and with that drag flick, finds the back of the net, and India are away in the World Cup qualifiers. May have also taken a deflection off the stick of Teresa Viena. Has really made a mark over time. That's found the back of the net finally for India. It's a second goal, and one they are celebrating. Shobh Narayan has a wide smile, and so does the crowd. The free hit out, a one-touch hit back in, hit away by Ishika, and Uruguay not able to stop that one on the line. Lalram Siami was waiting, but Ishika getting it in, and yes, the defender not able to stop that one. It came off her stick. Just as an update for you, India dominating possession, 60-40. Lalram Siami gets the goal. India's talisman up front has made a mark at the FIH Hockey World Cup 2026 qualifiers in the first match. She threatened right from the first quarter, and ultimately it just looked like it was inevitable when she found the back of the net. It was a good pass in towards her. She had a lot of space and thundered that past Maria Bate. India building well, hit in for number 4, a good finish, and the Indian team rolling forward. Oh, the fireworks and the pyros just just catching the Indian coaching staff by a bit of surprise, but the fireworks were there on the field as Rutuja Pisal does extremely well to find a goal for her team, the fourth one that India have scored today. Hit powerfully past the Uruguayan goalkeeper. It is Miranda Martinez who has come out, and she had to face this amazing shot by Rutuja Pisal. Tries to turn over and move past Sakshi Rana over there. Once again, India in the circle. They will get a free out, Uruguay that is. So India will not get goal number 5. But with that 4-0 victory, they have started quite confidently at the FIH Hockey World Cup 2026 qualifiers, Hyderabad, Telangana. A performance that has truly entertained the crowd here at the GMC Bal Yogi Hockey Ground in Gachibowli. A team performance, and they've set the bar, something that they would really want to live up to moving ahead in this competition as sterner tests await them. The tricolour flies high tonight here in Hyderabad. Lalrim Siami, she got the third goal for India. Was her usual self out there in the middle. The India start their campaign with a 4-0 victory over Uruguay.